I'm looking at you, lady.
I've gotta do, so I'm not crying.
Oh snap, today is what? Halloween, where people scare people for no reason and get mad and start something. But today is Halloween, and today is a tutorial on who Richard. If you don't know who Richard is, he's a pair with Richard and Rolanda. If you don't know who that is, look them up. They are awesome. I wanted to do Richard for so long, I don't even know. But in this tutorial, I will be trying to recreate his image. I'm gonna be a off-brand Richard, but it's still gonna be Richard, you know. So let's get to it. You don't gotta hear my mouth. You just about to see the transformation. Understand? By the way, happy Halloween. What you gonna be? Tell me in the comments. Or not. Or DM me. It don't matter.
Sorry, skeleton, you're so misunderstood. You only want to socialize.
So concentrated. Wow. Wow. Okay. Make him look nice now. Yeah.
Spooky, scary skeletons speak with such a screech. You'll shake and shudder in surprise when you hear these zombies shriek. We're so sorry, skeletons, you're so misunderstood.
Yo, what if I just did this with a marker? That would have been such bad for my skin. It's probably bad too. Ooh. I hope I do not break out in bumps. I really hope not. And that's done with the eyebrow. The unibrow. Like, wow, this thing deep. Now, time for his signature mustache. Oh, I'm about to say, that's a straight line. Erase that. Ugh. Probably think of something better. And then, after I'm done with his little goatee or whatnot, onto the outfit, which is just like a flannel with some dark blue jeans, a blue flannel with some dark blue jeans, and with a hat. But you know me, I'm finna be the off-brand Richard. With an orange flannel and some freaking, well, yeah, they're blue jeans. Connect. Like Richard, we're moving like Richard. I know she wants me, we're moving like Richard. She wants me. Rolanda! Yo! Call Me Maybe. The first, yo, I was so synced on that. Oh my gosh.
Before you know it, you'll be falling for me, baby! Hi, my name's Rolanda. You're such a hottie. Can I kiss you? I want your body.
Those are good old days, man. Okay, I think I done perfected my little mustache thingy, my jogger. Yeah. Yeah. onto the clothes. Cause now I'm rich out. So honestly. I'm rich out. So I'm mainly just about to put on blue jeans and my flannel, and you'll see the finished fit afterwards. Okay.
Hey, Rolanda.
Oh my gosh, get away from me! Alex, where are you?
She wants me. Like Richard, I'm moving like Richard. I know she wants me, I'm moving like Richard. Like Richard, I'm moving like Richard. I know she wants me, I'm moving like Richard.
Richard, we moving like Richard. I know she want me, we moving like Richard. We like Richard, we moving like Richard.
Come on, Rolanda. Come on, Rolanda. Come on, Rolanda. Come on. Well, like Richard and Rolanda. I know she wants me. Oh, get away from her. She wants this.
I'm lying if I said I didn't want it. I could tell by your eyes that you focus.